Well, a fine good afternoon, everyone. This is Patricia, and I am traveling for history. I'm here in Georgia, Vermont today, and this is the Georgia Plains Cemetery. In fact, this is a part 3 video. As I wander this place, it's really big. I'm not sure how many acres it is, but I've been driving to yonder parts. And I saw this structure here. I'm guessing it's another shed. So I figured I'd check it out for us. Hot and humid today. 84, 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Blech. I was hoping I'd be able to move that board, but it's screwed in place. So, unlike that wonderful vault at the, 2 vaults at the Heinsberg Village Cemetery, this, alas, we cannot get into. Oh, but here we go. I don't think my light helped at all, but doesn't hurt. I'm not going to try to get up into it because it's that first step is a doozy. I mean, it's taller than my knee. It's taller than my knee is high. Oh, and look at that. I'm surprised they don't demolish it, to be honest. Why keep it with a hole in the side like that? Some wonderful shelving.